In the manufacturing industry, a workpiece refers to the raw material or component that is being transformed into a finished product. This service involves the manipulation of the workpiece through various processes such as cutting, drilling, welding, and shaping to create a final product that meets the desired specifications. The workpiece is the foundation of the manufacturing process, and its quality and accuracy are critical to the success of the final product. The workpiece service is essential in the manufacturing industry as it ensures that the final product meets the required standards and specifications. The process involves the use of advanced machinery and equipment, such as CNC machines, to ensure precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process. The workpiece service is used in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, and medical, to create complex and intricate parts that require high precision and accuracy. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. The company offers a wide range of services, including workpiece manipulation, to ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. Berkness Company has a team of experienced professionals who use advanced machinery and equipment to ensure that the workpiece is transformed into a high-quality finished product. Berkness Company understands the importance of the workpiece service in the manufacturing industry and is committed to providing its clients with the highest quality products and services. The company has invested in advanced machinery and equipment to ensure that the workpiece is manipulated with precision and accuracy. Berkness Company also offers customized solutions to meet the unique needs of its clients, ensuring that the final product meets their specific requirements. If you are looking for a reliable manufacturing company that offers workpiece manipulation services, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company has a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to providing high-quality products and services to their clients. To learn more about the workpiece service and how Berkness Company can help you with your manufacturing needs, visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. FAQs. 1. What is a workpiece in manufacturing? A workpiece is a raw material or a partially finished product that is used as a starting point for manufacturing a final product. It is the object that is being worked on during the manufacturing process. 2. What are the different types of workpieces used in manufacturing? There are various types of workpieces used in manufacturing, including metal sheets, rods, tubes, castings, forgings, and plastics. The type of workpiece used depends on the final product being manufactured and the manufacturing process being used. 3. How is a workpiece prepared for manufacturing? A workpiece is prepared for manufacturing by undergoing various processes such as cutting, drilling, milling, turning, grinding, and polishing. These processes are used to shape and refine the workpiece to the desired specifications and dimensions required for the final product. The preparation process may also involve cleaning and surface treatment to ensure the workpiece is free from contaminants and has the necessary surface finish. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.